So check it out, y'all. So I saw Jay fishing. Of course, I had to start a conversation, and we got to talking about food, because y'all know I love food. You know I love food. Jay has a recipe.
It's a nice, delicate, real light soup, but it's a French soup. I don't know the name of it though. We can make up a French name. Soup de fichier.
Soup de fichier.
This is for white fish. So like, white bass, or sometimes I use trout. You want to get a deep pan, about 3-4 inches deep. And then, you want to fillet the fish. We were talking, Caroline, about keeping the heads and the backbone, because you want to put that in for the stock. So what I'll do is I'll lay my fillets down. I'll put all the heads and the bones around, and then I'll fill up just to cover the fish, just to cover.
With water?
Half water, half red cooking wine.
Half water, half red.
Red wine. Yep.
Y'all get some red
There's so
wine.
many good red cooking wines, but I like Merlot just to drink. So when I have a little bit of cooking, I like to get a wine that I like to drink as well.
Okay, so Jay likes Merlot.
I do. A nice Cabernet would be good too.
Oh, a
Pinot Noir,
Cabernet,
if we
Cabernet.
get fancy, but so you want to just cover the fish. So if it's about 2 inches deep, about 1 inch of water, about 1 inch of red wine, and then you throw in your aromatics. So I put in.
Oh my goodness, he's saying aromatics, y'all.
A little bushel of some rosemary and some thyme. Flavors really come out when you have kind of those scents in there. So I like to put.
Do you put any garlic in?
I do. I don't like sage too much. It tastes a little kind of grassy, but
yeah.
Some of the others, sometimes we'll do some fresh basil if it's out there. But about 2 or 3 different fresh herbs. You want to put that in, and then you just let it sit for about 45 minutes on a little simmer. Take it out, take out the heads and then the backbone, and by the time it's done, you can put vegetables in if you want. We've done some fresh snap peas or little pearl onions and stuff like that. But it makes a really good, rich, delicious fish soup.
Lynn, did you hear that?
I did.
And what do you think?
It sounds succulent.
Question. So how do you know so much about food?
I like to eat. So when you like to eat, you learn how to cook.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Learn how to cook. Men learn how to cook. You have to eat. So.
Men, did y'all hear that? Thanks, Jay.